sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm just going to show you maybe a common problem that a lot of people run across, and myself ran across this in the past. If you're using like SDR Sharp or any type of SDR type software that we're piping the audio through virtual audio. So like if we go up here and we go to audio, as you can see right here, we're using the VP audio because I want to pipe the audio out and send it over here. And say, for example, for this program, we have the VP audio selected. So anyway, a lot of times when you start this, you don't hear nothing because obviously we're using the VP audio, so you can't hear anything. So what we need to do is we need to go down here and search, or just go under your settings and go to your sound settings. Once this comes up, we're going to click over here, select Control Panel. Once this is up, get rid of that white background there. There we go. Once this is up, we're going to click on the recording. And we're going to double click on our VB audio. Then under the Listen tab, we're going to select Listen to this device. And we're going to select our output for our speakers. So we're going to click this, click OK, and if you can hear it, you can hear the sound of what we're trying to do here. So, like I said, sound, recordings, open up the VB audio, select the listening, make sure listen to this device is selected, hit apply. Now if you don't want to listen to it, just unselect it, hit apply, and when we hit the play, we don't hear nothing. Now this will work like for SDR Sharp and HDSDR, basically about anything in this, situation, this scenario. So I kind of figured let's just make a short video on how to maybe troubleshoot this and let people know that if you can't find the way or you can't remember or whatnot or how to do it, that's a simple way of doing it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.